Welcome to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Ricky, and today we're going to discuss an important topic that anyone considering marriage, especially a second marriage or one involving significant assets, should know about. Terms and conditions and premarital agreements in Texas. So those are prenups, right? Premarital agreements. Premarital agreements are legal contract entered into by a couple before getting married. And these agreements outline each party's rights and responsibilities concerning property, debt, income, and other financial matters during the marriage and any event of divorce or death. So these are very smart, right? They're very good to get into. They're not just for rich people, they're for everybody. In Texas, a premarital agreement can address a wide range of terms and conditions, but it must be in writing and signed by both parties to be enforceable. So common terms included in Texas premarital agreements are things like how property will be divided if the marriage ends, whether one spouse will receive spousal support, and how future income or business interests are going to be handled. The agreement can also address debts, including who is responsible for any debts incurred before or during the marriage. Debts are going to be very important because debts can get pretty expensive, especially if you have businesses or a lot of debt assets. However, there are limitations. For instance, a prenup in Texas cannot dictate terms regarding child custody or child support, or those issues are going to need to be determined based on the child's best interest at the time of separation. So you can't do that in a prenup. It's also crucial that premarital agreements are entered into voluntarily without coercion or undue pressure. That's a defense. Both parties must fully disclose their assets and liabilities for the agreement to hold up in court. If one party is trying to hide significant financial information, that's a no-no. Or you pressure the other party into signing quickly before the wedding, that's another no-no. The agreement could be challenged later. Having independent legal counsel review the document for each person is one of the best ways to protect your agreement's enforceability. These things are really fragile. They have to be written correctly. You should get an attorney. Finally, while some may see premarital agreements as preparing for failure, many couples use them as a proactive tool for communication and planning. That is the key right there. You want to use it for communication and planning. They're great. Instead of being a source of conflict, a well-crafted prenup can provide peace of mind and financial clarity for both spouses. So thank you for joining us today. Now, if you're considering a prenup or you have questions about protecting your future, we're here to help. Make a free 30-minute consultation with someone at the law office of Bryan Fagan. We'll be honored to help you prepare for your next exciting chapter in your life. We'll see you next video.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.